Good morning, everyone. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class, level 2, 4 problems completed. Now, fifth question. These are in quadratic equation, level 2 problems. Okay. Now, read the question first, what they are given. Sum of the roots of the equation is equal to sum of squares of their reciprocals. Sum of squares of their reciprocals. Now, for suppose we can take like this. Let alpha comma beta are roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Sum of the roots. What is the formula? Minus b by a. Product of the roots? c by a. Now, given condition, what is that? Sum of the roots is equal to sum of squares of their reciprocals, 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. This is given. Given condition. Now, alpha plus beta is equal to, take LCM, alpha square, beta square. I am writing alpha beta whole square. Numerator, we get beta square plus alpha square, but I am writing in particular order. Now, alpha plus beta into, take cross multiplication, alpha beta whole square, that is equal to alpha square plus beta square means, what is the formula? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. We know that alpha plus beta and alpha beta value. Substitute here, minus b by a into alpha beta c by a whole square, that is equal to minus b by a whole square minus 2 into c by a. Now here numerator we get bc square divided by a cube, that's equal to, here is LCM a cube only. Here we get b square minus 2ac. A cube cancel. A cube cancel. Next step. Minus 2ac. Alpha plus beta whole square. Okay. B square minus. Students, right hand side LCM, that is not a cube, only a square. Now, if you are cancelled a square, one more a is pending here. One more a is pending, a cube. Now take cross multiplication, bc square, that is equal to ab square minus 2a square b. And see the left hand side, here negative is there, negative. So here will come negative, here will come negative. Now 2a square b, that is equal to ab square plus bc square. Now this is in the form of 2b is equal to a plus c, like that is there now. Therefore, we can say that ab square plus, comma, ba square, comma, ab square, ba square, ca square. These are in AP series. AP series. Yes or no? A, B, C are in AP series. What is the condition? That is 2B is equal to A plus C. This is already we know that. By observing this, I am written. Here they are asking BC square, CA square, AB square are in. Okay. And here BA square, BC square. Here I'm written mistake. This is not CA square. BC square. AB square, BA square, BC square are in AP. Students, here I am written mistake. This is not B. That is C now. This is C. C. So here will come CA square. CA square. Or this is, we can write another way also. BC square, comma CA square, comma AB square are in AP. What I did here, these two terms, just interchange. Okay. So finally, which option correct, students? First option. Sixth question. Tan 22.5 degrees, tan 23 degrees are roots of x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0. Then, so here roots given, find sum of the roots first. Tan 22.5 degrees plus tan 23.5 degrees. That means this is sum of the roots. Sum of the roots formula minus b by a minus, here see the quadratic equation. B means what is there? A. A means 1. So finally sum of the roots minus a. Product of the roots, tan 22 degrees into tan 23 degrees. Product of the roots formula c by a. But see the quadratic equation, in place of c, what is there? B. A means 1. Overall, this is B. Now, we know that tan 45 degrees. 45, I am going to write 22 degrees plus 23 degrees. This is in the form of tan A plus B. Tan 45 degrees 1. Tan A plus B formula. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B, tan 22, tan 23 degrees. Now 1 is equal to tan 22 plus tan 23 degrees. That means sum of the roots. That value is minus a. 1 minus product of the roots b. Take cross multiplication. 1 minus b is equal to minus a. Minus a send left hand side. Plus a minus b plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the condition. Which option correct, students? Second option. Seventh question. If the difference of squares of the roots of the equation is 24, then value of q is, here let alpha comma beta are roots of the equation. Roots of the equation. What is the equation here? x square minus 6x plus q is equal to 0. Now find sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta. Minus of minus 6 divided by 1. That is 6. Product of the roots. Q divided by 1. That is equal to Q. Now, given condition, given that, what is given? The difference of squares of the roots of the equation. Difference of squares of the roots of the equation is equal to 24 given. Then find Q value. So alpha square minus beta square. This is, we can write alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. That's equal to 24. Alpha plus beta. Then student, how to write alpha minus beta? Alpha minus beta means under root alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. That is equal to 24. Alpha plus beta value 6 into under root 6 square minus 4q. That is equal to 24. Now 6 4s are 24 and do the squaring on both sides. 36 minus 4q. That's equal to 16. 16 send left hand side, 36 minus 16, 20. That is equal to 4q. Therefore, what is q? 4 5s are 20. Q value 5. Third option correct. Here alpha minus beta value. We know that a minus b whole square formula. What is that? A plus b whole square minus 4ab. If squares in right hand side, square root will come on it. So by using this formula, I am written directly. Students understood now? So finally, third option correct.